Followed by the man of kick and kiss. The inspection of the parade starts with of KIT NCC. Followed by the KISS NCC. The inspection again continues with KIT School of Computer Applications. Next in line, KIT School of Economics and Commerce.
We have with us our Honorable Chief Guest, respected Mayor, the President of the Federation International Volleyball FIVB, Switzerland. Also on the dash, we have with us our Honorable Chancellor of KIT University, respected Ashok Parijaji, our respected Vice President of KIT and KIT Society, Sri Umapada Bose, respected Sri R.N. Das of the KIT and KIT Society. We have also on the dash Honorable Pro Chancellor of awarded the Padma Shri Award yesterday declared in the late evening. It is a great pleasure for entire KIT and KIT. Generally working in KIT to get this National Civilian Award, rarest of the rare thing. And we are very happy. If whether Adit here or not, I have no idea. So we are very happy that Aditya Gondaik definitely is a great sculpturist, Pathara Shilpi. But when Aditya Gondaik was in distress during 2006-07, KIT brought him from Delhi and KIT gave him a platform for the entire sculpture work he has done. And he was in KIT for 10 to 11 years, not 1 year, 2 years. KIT spent crores of rupees on stone, and Aditya Gondaik did entire things. Because of that work at KIT, he was taken by the Government of India as Director General for 6 years.
What an honor being here. Dr. Samantha, thank you very much for your invitation. Dear friends and colleagues, what a pleasure being here and celebrate together with you this day. What a very important day. Republic Day in India is all about celebration of youth, of unity. In our sport, in volleyball, we have a motto which is together as one. And that's exactly what I see in your country today. Unity. Unity of a very strong youth that is carrying the values of your country towards the future. I can see a bright generation that will make India bigger and better every day. What I want to wish you all is also in the sport field is the Olympic dream. We are dreaming to see more and more athletes playing the big competitions in the world and the Olympics. And humbly, from the sport that we representing the global volleyball movement, I would like to share a dream with you all today. We want to see, even now, the next Olympic Games in LA 2028, we want to see
Indian players playing volleyball and beach volleyball, and we are ready to help them doing that. So thank you very much for you all for having us here today. Let's celebrate the Day of Unity, the Day of Youth, and I wish you all the best in life. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the address.
Thank you, bro.
Republic Day Parade New Delhi 2024 and YEP in Kazakhstan, and Second Commander Cadet Nilay Sharma, who sought the permission of the Honorable Founder to commence the parade. Led by Senior Officer Abhishek Pandey and Second Commander Cadet Nilay Sharma. This parade is composed of 24 platoons followed by the Horse Cavalry and the Kit and Kiss Band. A parade begins with the contingent from Senior Division of KIT NCC, led by Platoon Commander Harshvardhan Yadav and Flag Bearer Tushar Kanta Sahu. Let's give them a big round of applause for their dedication and discipline.
असीम वीरत्वर पराकाष्ठा देखे आगे जाउछंती किट एनसीसी प्लाटून कमांडर हर्षवर्धन यादव, फ्लैग बेयरर तुषारकांत साहू.
Following them is the proud contingent of NCC, represented by Platoon Commander Vikas Maji and Flag Bearer Pinky Sabbar. Let's cheer them as they march with determination.
Commander Vikas Machi, flag bearer Pinky Sabar.
Up next is the contingent from KIT International School, led by Platoon Commander Rishabh Kumar and Flag Bearer Anjali Singh. The enthusiasm is truly inspiring.
आमे संभावनार कथा नहीं आगे आसुछंती किट इंटरनेशनल स्कूल प्लाटून कमांडर ऋषभ कुमार, फ्लैग बेयरर अंजलि सिंह.
Joining us now are the representatives of the
समस्त प्रतिकूल परिस्थिति रे आमे ही देशर रक्षा कवच एभली भावना नहीं आगे आसुछंती स्काउट्स एंड गाइड्स प्लाटून कमांडर युधिष्ठिर भत्रा एवं फ्लैग बेयरर प्लाटून कमांडर सोहित रोशन, फ्लैग बेयरर ज्योति भोई.
Following them is the KISS Secondary School contingent, represented by Platoon Commander Bapun Maji and Flag.
देशर प्रगति रे आमे कुशली बिंधाणी किट आईटीआई प्लाटून कमांडर एन दीपक पात्र, फ्लैग बेयरर मोनालिसा नायक.
Next, we have the contingent from Kids School of Computer Science Engineering, represented by Platoon Commander Shubham Kumar Sinha and Flag Bearer Pragya Nath. Their energy is contagious.
ବୈଷୟିକ ଉନ୍ନତିରେ ଆମେ ଆମ ଦେଶକୁ ଶିଖରରେ ପହଞ୍ଚାଇବୁ ଏଭଳି ପଣ ନେଇ ଆଗେଇ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି କିଡ୍ ସ୍କୁଲ ଅଫ୍ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ସାଇନ୍ସ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟରିଂ ପ୍ଲାଟୁନ୍ କମାଣ୍ଡର ଶୁଭମ କୁମାର ସିହ୍ନା ଫ୍ଲାଗ ବେୟରର ପ୍ରଜ୍ଞା ନାଥ
Following them is the team from Platoon Commander Sukarna Das and Flag Bearer Palak Behra, marching with great enthusiasm.
ଗଣତନ୍ତ୍ରର ସୁରକ୍ଷାକୁ ମନରେ ଥାପି ଆମ ଆଗକୁ ଆଗେଇ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି କିଡ୍ ସ୍କୁଲ ଅଫ୍ ବାୟୋଟେକ୍ନୋଲୋଜି ପ୍ଲାଟୁନ୍ କମାଣ୍ଡର ସୁକର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଦାସ ଫ୍ଲାଗ ବେୟରର ପଲକ ବେହେରା
Now presenting the contingent from Kids
School of Electronics Platoon Commander Arpit Rath Flag Bearer Simran Kamar.
Up next is the Kids School of Rural Management team, represented by Platoon Commander Samarth Hazari and Flag Bearer Rajali Das, showcasing their commitment to community development.
ଆମେ ପ୍ରଗତିର ସୂତ୍ରଧର କିଡ୍ ସ୍କୁଲ ଅଫ୍ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ପ୍ଲାଟୁନ୍ କମାଣ୍ଡର ମିନତି କିସ୍କୁ ଫ୍ଲାଗ ବେୟରର ଅନୁଷ୍କା ମିତ୍ରା
Joining the parade now is the team from Kids School of Medicine, led by Platoon Commander
ସେବା ତ୍ୟାଗର ମନ୍ତ୍ର ନେଇ ଆଗେଇ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି କିଡ୍ ସ୍କୁଲ ଅଫ୍ ମେଡିସିନ ପ୍ଲାଟୁନ୍ କମାଣ୍ଡର ଶୁଭଜିତ ନାୟକ ଫ୍ଲାଗ ବେୟରର ବୈଷ୍ଣବୀ ପଣ୍ଡିତ
Following them is the contingent from Kids School of Management, led by Platoon Commander Ashish Kumar Pradhan and Flag Bearer Sonali Pari, embodying the leadership and
ଏଭଳି ଭାବନା ନେଇ ଆଗେଇ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି କିଡ୍ ସ୍କୁଲ ଅଫ୍ ମ୍ୟାନେଜମେଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ଲାଟୁନ୍ କମାଣ୍ଡର ଅଭିଷେକ ପ୍ରଧାନ ସୋନାଲି ପାଢୀ ଠାକୁର
Now presenting the team from Kids School of Electrical Engineering, represented by Platoon Commander Chiranjeevi Gagrai and Flag Bearer Chelsea Meda, marching with confidence.
Kids School of Electrical Engineering Platoon Commander Chiranjeevi Gagrai Flag Bearer Chelsea Meda
The contingent from Kids School of Civil Engineering, led by Platoon Commander Keshav Chandra Naik and Flag Bearer Pavel Hansa, is up next, representing strength and resilience.
ଆମେ ଦୃଢ଼ ଆମେ ଅଟଳ କିଡ୍ ସ୍କୁଲ ଅଫ୍ ସିଭିଲ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟରିଂ ପ୍ଲାଟୁନ୍ କମାଣ୍ଡର କେଶବ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ନାୟକ ଫ୍ଲାଗ ବେୟରର ପାବେଲ ହଂସ
Let's welcome the team from Kids School of Mechanical Engineering, led by the Platoon Commander Anuj Kumar Mishra and Flag Bearer Nisha Prakash, showcasing in
Anuj Kumar Mishra flag bearer Nisha Prakash
Now joining the parade is the contingent from Kids School of Sports and Yogic Science, led by Platoon Commander Subhadra Soren and Flag Bearer
ସମାଜକୁ ସାମାଜିକତାର ବାର୍ତ୍ତା ଦେଇ କିଟ୍ ଏନ୍ଏସ୍ଏସ୍ ପ୍ଲାଟୁନ୍ କମାଣ୍ଡର ସତ୍ୟମ ଚୌଧୁରୀ ଫ୍ଲାଗ ବେୟରର ଜାହ୍ନବୀ ତ୍ରିପାଠୀ
Now, let's welcome the dedicated team from Kids Security, represented by Platoon Commander Ashok Kumar,
flag bearer Priyadarshini Sahu.
Adding grandeur to the parade is the Horse Cavalry team, led by Ahona, displaying elegance and strength.
ଆଗେଇ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ଆହ୍ୱାନ
And finally, we have the Rishi and vibrant music as this band played by Varsha Rantal and Rashmi Alda bringing. Let's give a huge round of applause to all the contingents for the spectacular display of discipline, coordination and patriotism.
ବିଭିନ୍ନତାରେ ଏକତା ଆମ ଦେଶର ବୈଶିଷ୍ଟ୍ୟ ଏହି ବିଭିନ୍ନତାକୁ ବହୁତ ଭାବରେ ପ୍ରକାଶିତ କରି ଆଗେଇ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି 64 ଜନଜାତିର ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଦିଦାଇ ମାଙ୍କଡିଆ ସୌରା ଗଣ୍ଡ ଉଟିଆ ସାନ୍ତାଳ ବିରହୋର ଜୁଆଙ୍ଗ ଖରୱାର ଡଙ୍ଗରିଆ କନ୍ଧ ଲୋଧା ପାହାଡି ଗୁଣିଆ ବିଞ୍ଚିଆ କୋଲ ସବୁକିଛି ଅନନ୍ୟ ଶିଶୁ ହସିଲେ ଦୁନିଆ ହସେ ନିଜର କୋମଳମତି ମନରେ ଦେଶ ମାତୃକା ପ୍ରତି ଅଜସ୍ର ଭଲ ପାଇବା ନେଇ ଆଗେଇ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି କିଟ୍ ପବ୍ଲିକ ସ୍କୁଲର କୁନି କୁନି ଫୁଲମାନେ
Unity is our strength.
Rabindranath Tagore's Jana Gana Mana encapsulates the essence of an undivided India, celebrating its vast landscapes, cultural richness, and collective spirit. The anthem traverses the geographic
together into a wonderful tapestry of rich cultural heritage. I welcome all the schools taking part today in this competitive category, wholeheartedly and patriotically showcasing the various elements of our national anthem through the language of dance. इस धरती की शान है, पंजाब का पारंपरिक त्योहार बैसाखी न केवल एक खुशी पर्व है, बल्कि सन 1919 की जालियनवाला बाग हत्याकांड के कारण स्वतंत्रता संग्राम का एक महत्वपूर्ण ऐतिहासिक प्रसंग भी है। Here is School of
महान नेताओं की जन्मभूमि है। गुजरात अपने उद्योग, व्यापार और कृषि में अग्रणी है, जो भारत की आर्थिक
This performance takes inspiration between the epic struggles of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Emperor Aurangzeb, weaving a tale of bravery, resilience, and a fight for Swaraj.
सपनों की नगरी मुंबई महान जहाँ हर दिल में बसते अरमान
गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया इतिहास की शान
जहां अनेक वीर सेनानियों ने आजादी के लिए अपनी जान तक दे दी। Here is the School of Medicine with their theme Banga.
Next, let's welcome the School of the golden deserts of Rajasthan, the cultural heartland of Madhya Pradesh, and the lush greenery of Chhattisgarh. From majestic forts and ancient temples to thriving forests and vibrant traditions, this performance showcases the essence of Vidyanchala like never before.
डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर ने हमारे लिए एक किसी भी जात या धर्म से हो।
Wonderful performance. Now, let's welcome School of Electrical Engineering with their team Himachala. Get ready to embark on a breathtaking journey, the scenic beauty of Himachal Pradesh, the seven sisters of the Northeast, and the mesmerizing landscape of Jammu and Kashmir. From snow-capped peaks to lush valleys, this performance captures India's northern paradise. Let's explore the culture, heritage, and natural splendor of these regions together.
पर्वत ने बाहें फैलाई, हरियाली ने गीत सुनाया, कल कल बहती
स्कूल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग को उनकी सुंदर प्रस्तुति के लिए हार्दिक धन्यवाद। नाउ लेट्स वेलकम स्कूल ऑफ कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशंस प्रेजेंटिंग द टीम यमुना, उत्तर प्रदेश और दिल्ली की जीवन रेखा। इस प्रस्तुति के माध्यम से हमें इस पवित्र नदी की सांस्कृतिक और ऐतिहासिक महिमा का अनुभव होगा। तो आइए इस यात्रा में हम सभी मिलकर एक साथ शामिल होते हैं।
यमुना नदी।
बजाए सहनाइए भी पवन बजाए
ideals and philosophies.
Whose philosophy? If anyone was considered an incarnation of God among the heroes of the Indian freedom struggle, it was the great revolutionary Birsa Munda. Bhagwan Birsa Munda, recorded in golden letters in the Indian history, gave the slogan for independence, Abu Adashom, Abu Araj, that is, Apna Desh, Apna Raj, starting the Ulgulan movement. We welcome our pride, our founders' pride, the students of Kalinga Institute of Social Sciences. Bhagwan Birsa Munda amar rahe. 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 Bhagwan Birsa Munda amar rahe.
Long live Bhagwan Birsa Munda. Long live. Bhagwan Birsa Munda was born on 15 November 1875 at Karivia, Ulihatu, a tribal Munda village which is 40 kilometers away from present Ranchi city of Chhattisgarh. He was the son of father Sugana Munda and mother Karni Hatu. He died on 2nd June 1900, sacrificing his life as the great tribal leader of the freedom movement of India against British rule. Celebrated as Janajatiya Gaurav Divas, as declared by the Government of India. He is the great tribal freedom fighter of India, immortal forever. Ulgulan means a slogan for revolution to drive British out of India. Birsa could not tolerate the exploitation of poor tribals by the landlords, who demanded to take the land of the Brahmins forcefully by preparing a false account. He also wanted to stop atrocity of British police on them. Mobilized Munda people, convinced them about their own rights on agricultural land and mountains, and sensitized them to revolt against British He fought against conversion of religion to Christianity.
Thank you.
He organized Munda people not to obey British rule, to respect and stick to their own Munda religion, and not to be converted to Christianity. He trained his comrades to fight against British with weapons. The British police were dressed to arrest Mirza. Let the Emperor of Queen Victoria fall down and let the Emperor of Munda tribe be established. Mirza with his comrades proceeded to set fire to Khunta police station. British police announced a reward of 500 rupees for the secret informer. Treacherous Shashi Bhushan Roy and Majita Maria secretly informed the British police about Mirza's shelter place, that was Santara Forest. British police caught Mirza from Santara Forest on 5th March 1900.
British
He was tortured severely inside the Ranchi jail and poisoned. Century, sacrificing his life in the freedom struggle of India. He is immortal forever. Is celebrated as Jonajati Kaurava Divas as declared by the Government of India. Long live Birsa Munda.
Thank you, KISS, for this wonderful performance. And with this, we come to the end of today's incredible cultural event. Each performance was a testament to the rich diversity and unity of Akhand Bharat, celebrating the essence of our traditions, heritage and progress.
We extend our heartfelt gratitude to all the participants, faculty and organizers who made this event a grand success. Your dedication and hard work truly brought these themes to life and left us all inspired.
Thank you to your audience for your enthusiastic support and applause. Let's continue to cherish our culture and take pride in the unity that binds us together.
With that, we bid a goodbye and wish you a wonderful evening ahead. See you at the next celebration.
Bharat Mata Ki! One day! One day!
Ensuring the safety and security of our society, upholding the highest values of integrity, courage, and service. Musashi Mishra Ji, Ms. Musashi Mishra Ji, the second judge of the show segment. Ladies, movies. May I request Priyamada Reddy, the third judge of the show segment, to kindly come up to the dais. Becoming the first Indian to achieve this distinction. Now, it is time that I announce proudly the names of the National Sports Awardee and Olympian in absentia. Mr. Praveen Kumar, Para-Olympian Arjuna Awardee and Major Dhyanchand K. Rakau. Ms. Anurani, Olympian and Arjuna Awardee. Ms. Jyoti Araji, Olympian and Arjuna Awardee. Mr. Saja Amit Rohidas, Olympian and Arjuna Awardee. Mr. Kishore Kumar Jena, Olympian. Mr. Tajinder Singh, Krishna Day, found as Miss T Universe 2024 at the Global first night of the Lavanya Das, found as Miss Teen India, MD, recipient of Albert